In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a label in Google Calendar. Google Calendar doesn't have traditional labels like email does, but you can get the same result by creating a separate calendar and giving it a distinct color. Think of this as a smart, flexible label you can turn on or off, share if needed, and instantly spot on your schedule. Start by opening your browser and heading to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account so the new calendar appears where you expect it. Once the calendar loads, look to the left sidebar. Find the section called Other Calendars. If the sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the options clearly. Next, click the small plus icon beside Other Calendars. This opens a menu of options. Choose Create New Calendar. This takes you to a simple setup page where you'll define your label like calendar. Enter a clear, specific name. For example, you might use something like personal errands, deep work, content planning, or invoices. Pick a name you'll recognize at a glance on a busy week. Below that, add a short description. This is optional, but it can help you remember how you plan to use this calendar, especially if you create several labels later on. Now select the time zone. Keeping it aligned with your primary time zone is usually best, but if this calendar is meant for a different region or team, choose the appropriate one so event times stay accurate. When you're happy with the details, click Create Calendar. You'll see a confirmation message and your new calendar will appear in the left sidebar under My Calendars. To make this calendar act like a true label, assign it a color that stands out. In the left sidebar, hover over your new calendar name and click the three dots. From the color palette that appears, pick a color you'll instantly recognize. If you want something more specific, choose the custom color option and set an exact shade that fits your system or brand. That's it. The label is ready. Going forward, when you create or edit events, select this calendar in the Events Calendar field to tag it with your new color-coded label. You can toggle its visibility from the sidebar to focus on just those events when you need clarity. And if you ever want to refine the color, name, or description, return to that same three dots menu to make quick adjustments. By creating a dedicated, color-coded calendar, you've built a clean, visual labeling system that keeps your schedule organized and easy to scan at a glance.